This is a very unique recipe that I made for my restaurant over 30 years ago. It's called cheesy chicken roll, and it was very popular. If you want to learn how to make it, follow along in the step-by-step video, and let's get started. We're cooking the carrots and the mashed potatoes. So there are the size of the potatoes I have cut up. There's the size of the carrots. We're gonna cook these on a rapid boil, these roughly for 20 minutes, these for 30 to 40, until they're both soft enough that we can mash them together. The carrots and potatoes are boiling very nicely. They are almost done, and then we will take them off and mash them together. So it's time to mash the potatoes. We're going to put a generous amount of milk. We want these a little extra whipped up when we mash them, due to the fact that when we bake them in the oven, that's going to dry them out a bit, and we don't want this to be too dry. So let's add the milk. Butter, salt, and pepper. Alright, so I have these mashed up enough. This is what we're going to use to put inside the chicken roll. So I'm ready to assemble the chicken roll. I have a nice sized pan, and I have the wax paper down. And what you want to do is, the one side of the wax paper, you need that cut in a nice straight line, because what you're going to do is you're going to put the chicken here, and when we roll it, it has to end on this line. Otherwise, it will be harder to roll it off. You need it to end there, and we'll slide it out underneath. When I roll it, it will make more sense if that doesn't. And then we're going to put some oil on. And another thing with the oil, stop it a ways before that. That way when we roll it, it will help it from not sliding off. Get the oil on. Spread that out. It's even good to put a bit. I got 2 pieces of wax paper, so I'm just going to put a bit under there. It will help stop it from moving around. Now I'm going to take my ground chicken and make a square out of this. And you want the chicken 1/2 inch thick. You don't want it too thick. Otherwise the roll starts to get too large. Alright, so that took a little bit of work, not too much, but I have it nice and flattened out into a square. The next step is we're going to put the mashed potatoes and the carrots on there. And also 1/2 inch or so. And if you can see, I have these nice and whipped up with a good amount of milk. That way they spread out good. And keep the mashed potatoes and the cheese that we're going to put on back about 1.5 inches from all edges. Alright, so I have a nice layer of mashed potatoes and carrots there. Now we're going to spread the cheese on. And this is old cheddar that I'm using, but you can use your favorite cheese. That's enough cheese. I'm going to squeeze that down in the mashed potatoes a little bit and the carrots. Now we're going to spread a coat of bacon bits over it. Push this all down, flatten it a little bit. And now it is time to roll it. This takes a little bit of patience, but it won't be too bad. I'm going to keep it at the edge for now. And if it starts to move off too much, I just pull it back because I want it roughly in the center to bake this. And we're going to bake this in the oven on 375 for roughly 35-45 minutes. Just fold it up a little bit, squish it down. Bring the wax paper back. Make sure it tucks in there. Like that. Squeeze it in a little bit. We want to keep it nice and tight. I'm going to move it back a little. Oh, it's going nice. Okay, now we're going to bring it back to the center. It's working out pretty good. And continue rolling it till it rolls off. Oh, beautiful. And that should just pull out from underneath. There we got it. So take the ends and we're folding this together to ensure the potatoes and the cheese doesn't come out, but I'm sure some will seep out through still. I have a little extra chicken left over, which is good because there's extra potato and cheese on this side, and I'm just going to stog that. Now let's drizzle a bit of oil over the top. A little bit of garlic powder. Montreal chicken spice or seasoning salt's just as good. Celery salt. Old Bay spice. And onion powder. Alright, let's go put this in the oven. Alright, 35 minutes and it's done. Came apart a little bit on the one side, but that's okay. It's looking really good. Let's take it out. Chicken roll's done. Came apart a little bit on that side, but that stuff happens. It's seeping some of the potatoes and cheese out. Looks, smells delicious. We're gonna let this cool down for a good 45 minutes. Otherwise, if we cut it, it will run out and fall out. So we're gonna let this cool down and we'll come back and cut it and try it. All right, it's finally time to try this. Let's cut it open and see what it looks like. I'm gonna cut it right down the center. Oh, look at that. Cheesy potatoes, it looks really good. I'm gonna cut a piece and try it. Okay, so let's try this. Looks good. Cheese, bacon, chicken. Very tasty. Don't forget to hit the subscribe. Give this a try. Smash the like. Have a good day. See you in the next video.